Assalamu alaikum. I am Kazi Almuqtadir and welcome to my another tutorial. And today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use field calculator in ArcGIS to perform various tasks. So here you can see I have the BD Bangladesh of admin area, administration area, and let's go to the attribute table and see the database of this shapefile. And here you can see I have uh, 462 FID various values in this shapefile. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new field in this attribute table. So to add a new field, go to click here and select add field, and I'm going to create a field named flood risk, and I'm going to save the type as text, and I'm going to select the field properties as by default. So if you want another things or length more or less, you can edit in here and click OK. So here you can see I have a new field called flood risk here, and let's say I am going to assign a new value for my each of these union or this area. So I'm going to click here and select by line, and I'm going to select some union here. It's like just like this. I have selected this union, and I'm going to assign a value for them. As for say, I'm going to assign a value for high flood risk area. So I'm going to go to the attribute table, and if you select here, this will only show the selected area of this whole. So I have this only selected area in here, and I'm going to assign a value for them. So let's go to the field calculator, and first of all you have to select this parser as Python, and to assign a value for them, just double click here, flood risk dot replace first parenthesis, and in here this is the value they have here. So you can see this flood risk is now blank, so I am selecting a apostrophes for them, and then I'm going to add a value just like high risk area and click OK. So here you can see this flood these unions are showing like Jamalpur, Manikganj, Rajbari, Sirajganj. They are showing that this is the high risk area for them. Okay, so now we're going to clear selected features in here, and now I'm going to select another unions or another bunch of unions, another group of unions like this one. So this is the tutorial I'm going to use just for it. This is just for a tutorial purpose, and you can use however you want to use. So I am selecting these unions, and I'm going to assign a value just medium risk area. So again right click in here and open attribute table, and here you can see these are the selected areas in here, and again we're going to bring field calculator and select flood risk. Sorry, first of all select parser as Python and flood risk dot replace medium risk area and click OK. Okay, here you can see. And again, if you want to assign a new areas, just like this one, and again you can go to attribute table and right click and go to field calculator, select Python, flood risk dot replace low risk area. Okay, now you can go to VGT admin and properties, and then you can go to symbology table here, and under categorize you can see unique values, and I'm going to select the flood risk field here and add values here, and I'm going to assign high values for red and low risk area for green, and medium risk area for yellow, and null as hollow. Okay, so here you can see we have selected these zones here, and we have selected zones and we have assigned value for them. So this is how you can assign a text value in flood risk area. Okay, so and now you can also do various things in Python coding. Just so you can see here, just I have a field like sub district, and if you want to extract some characters from this field, you can add or create a new field, add field here, and I'm going to set this name as test1 and type as text. And I'm going to extract some characters from here. So let's go to field calculator, and now we'll go to Python again, and I will select this eng type 3 and a square bracket, and if you assign a value 0, oh sorry, they only took the number in selected features. So first of all you have to clear the selection, and then just perform this action again. Go to the field calculator and eng type equals to 0, and you can see only the first character they have extracted from there. And if you want to extract from this 3 number, this up, and if you have to call it, let's see, go to field calculator, and we're going to select from 0 to 3, and you can see here they have set the value. And if you want to add 2 field here, just like this, sub plus high risk area or low risk area, here you can see I want to add these 2 field, just like flood risk with high risk area plus sub, high risk area plus sub, or medium risk area plus sub. So to do that, let's right click here, go to field calculator, and okay, to do that just double click here, flood risk plus just 1. And you can see there I have assigned these two field here, high risk area, sub, and if you can see I have a problem here that the high risk area and sub have no space between them, so I want to assign a space between them. To go to field calculator again, and after plus sign add a space and then add 1 plus again and click OK. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions please comment below, and also comment to help me know if my videos are helpful to you, and this will inspire me a lot. And thank you, see you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.